Aircraft maintenance checks. Periodic inspection done on commercial or civil aircraft after certain amount of time. Continuous inspection program approved by national and international authorities of operators like FAA in US, TCCA in Canada, EASA in Europe, CASA in Australia, PCA in Pakistan. National authority override each operator prepare inspections as per guideline for maintenance program. These inspections are termed as checks and segregated up to 4 checks, A, B, C and D. A and B mean lights checks, line maintenance. C and D mean heavier checks, base maintenance. A checks, performed every 400 to 600 hours or 200 to 300 cycles. Takeoff to landing, for aeroplane or helicopter. It requires manpower of 20 to 60 man-hours. Can performed overnight. Occurrence varies per aircraft type, cycle count and number of hours flown since last checks. Visual inspection of AC, lubricant retract actuator, B checks, performed every 6 to 8 months. Need 120 to 150 man-hours. Depend on type of aircraft. Takes 12 hours at airport hangar. Operators sometimes merges A and B checks. Detailed check of all A checks items. C checks, performed every 20 to 40 months. Depends on flight hours as defined by manufacturer. Put aircraft out of services until it is completed. Required more manpower and large space. Carried out in hangar in base station of airline or operator. Required 1 to 2 weeks with 5,000 man-hours. Can vary. Improve service life of aircraft. Complete disassembly of aircraft. D checks, performed every 6 to 10 years. Takes up to 55,000 man-hours. Based on aircraft type. Take 4 to 6 weeks to complete. Perform at base. Most expensive cost millions of dollars to airlines.